we learned how to make drawers. In the same way, we can make storage boxes of any size we want. Start by measuring the place where you want the box to be. For the width, it is important to leave a space of 1 to 2 centimeters so that the box can fit easily. For the height, we take into account the thickness of the base of the box, because the walls of the box will be on the base. So I put a sample of the cardboard and measure the height from there. And here too I leave a margin of 1 to 2 centimeters. When assembling a box, we can put the wall next to the base or on the base. It is recommended that the walls will be on the base to make the box more stable. The side walls will get between the front and the back walls. So I use them to measure what the width of the side wall should be. We have the box and it's the right size. But in order to make it convenient to put it in and take it out, we will make opening at the front. It can be round, like this one, or square. In this case, I chose to make a rectangular one. The height is 3 centimeters and the width is 11 centimeters. And now I can take the box out and put it in easily. Before I get to the next step, I smooth and sand all the joints and corners. It is very important to strengthen all the corners as we did for the rest of the furniture, so that the box will be useful and will not fall apart. So use gummed paper tape or simple papers and PVA glue. I will put the roll on one side, the water on the other side, and I'll use a towel to wipe drops so the roll will not get wet. And as usual, it is very important to smooth and fasten well so that there are no wrinkles. I fold the strip outward to find the center line. I attach the center line to the corner, put it into the corner, and then smooth the right side and the left side. And I will do the same for all the corners on the inside of the box and on the outside of the box. I chose to paint the boxes with white as the base color. I use a damp sponge. Make sure it's not dripping water. I paint in all kinds of directions, but I finish in the same direction, usually across. In the second coat of paint, these stripes will be smoother. I leave the inside of the box white, so it will be bright and easier to see what is inside. When using yellow color, it is particularly recommended to paint the cardboard first with white. And now I have useful and beautiful boxes. In the same way, you can make boxes with dividers to keep things organized. Choose a thick cardboard. The side up should be with the waves. As we did with the cross sections, find the center and make a cut to the middle. Use another piece of the same cardboard to mark the width of the notch. Cut out the notch and do the same on the other one. And now the two pieces fit together. Cover the corners with paper tape to make the divider stable. And cover the top as well. It will mask the waves of the cardboard and will look better. Put it in the box, and now you can keep things organized and neat.